Welcome back to the show, everybody. Hello there. Let's continue with this beautiful London session. What's up? Yonix, hello, welcome back. Bill Hovenst in the building. Frequency, good morning. Ollie, hey there, what's up? Pochi, hello, welcome. How was the Asia session? Oh my God, it seems like we're going to the moon. I mean, this is what's happening. This is what's happening, and there's just no way that anyone can do anything about it. This is what's gonna go. Hey, you're welcome, Frequency. I mean, I had to react fast because I was, by the way, watching the inside chat with the production team. I was listening to Luke. I was checking some stuff constantly. I was watching for my trade, and Luke was like, pick 3 names quick. I was like, huh, what should I do? I saw your name. Okay, let's pick Frequency. But congratulations. Absolutely. I know I got some heat after that, like, Tom, why didn't you pick me? Up only, yeah. Hey there, Major, what's up? Asia was, yeah, buy all the way. Like all these markets are just buy all the way, right? Content Hunter, hello there. How about your London stream earlier? I mean, yesterday. That was good, if that's what you're asking. It's difficult. It's really difficult because I get it, by the way. I totally get it. Like, I know, like, I get it, but it's just when you really have to do like 4 things at the same time, then you're like, okay, let's be super quick. How's it going, everyone? How's it going? All right, let me just set up everything properly. We have 12 likes and 60 viewers, so you know the drill. Thank you, everyone. I mean, I really want to push this channel, and I want to build a great and big community here in the London session, in the early New York session. So let's do it together, right? Let's just do it together. You didn't saw the stream, only MyFundedFutures. Ah, okay. I see. Okay. Curry Fishbowl, hello there. Welcome. All right, so interesting turn of events. What about the dollar? Did you guys check the dollar? I mean, look at that. Let me just switch to the daily chart. Wow. I think dollar is just like, how low? I mean, 2022, it was, yeah, we just went down to 2022 levels. Okay. Yeah, dollar is definitely down. Gold keeps going higher. Wow. I'm telling you, there's just... This is just unstoppable. Okay. I'm gonna set up something here. Just in case, you know. I was subbing for 1 month every day and didn't wear anything. Oh. Last day I got a pro account. Yeah, it's patience. Congratulations again. Let's go. Hey Dank, what's up? Yeah, gold skyrocket. Absolutely. And you know, there's a problem here. Like, how far are we? Like, is this all-time high that 645? I think it is, right? Yeah, 645. So I wonder what's gonna happen. Hey Chris, what is this? It's just going higher. It's unstoppable. Yeah, today FOMC obviously is going to be, you know, I think it's already pricing in for FOMC because like more rate cuts. I mean, they're saying, I mean, yesterday there was some rumor that they're going to cut rates, which means more bullish reaction to the market. Made 1.5K with NQ this morning. Wow. Let's go. You made it 50%. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Do you think it will pull back a lot? I mean, I really want to see gold to have a, you know, a pullback. There's actually a 1 hour demand zone down there, but like, I don't know. NQ all-time high on futures. I think it's 26,645 on the micro. Yes, 26,645 on the micro. On the mini 646. So 1 point difference. So 645, 646. That's all-time high. So I mean, we're getting there, it seems like. You know, I would be careful with the shorts here. I really would. You're welcome. You were about to take a swing trade in the silver at 100. I was not. Did I say that? I didn't want it to take a swing trade at 100, but maybe. Well, it was down there. So, I mean, silver is moving like, wow. Amazing. I mean, this is a market I don't want to short. Oh man. It's just, wow. Anyway, Apex is down 90%. Bulenox is down 89%, by the way. Just saying, for those of you who like to go crazy a little bit or want some cheap accounts, Apex is 90% off. Bulenox is 89. Good morning, Ashok Kumar. Hello. HD Photo, welcome. Filkos, hello. Oh my gosh, Filkos, we are missing you. Where are you? Oh, it was Brian. Okay. The night, it was peaceful. I slept as much as I could. Yeah, I think it's pricing in for FOMC. I mean, it just keeps going higher. Again, yesterday was some new news and rumors that I think it was confirmed by someone from from the Fed, that there's going to be at least 2 more rate cuts. 2 more rate cuts. I think that was the news, which means, you know, the MyFundedFutures headphones, they're right next to me here. I was playing yesterday. I'm using it for gaming. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's awesome, but you know, for this kind of stream where I just talk with you guys, it's, I mean, it's awesome, but like, I don't really need it for this. But for gaming, it's just amazing. It's really amazing. I yesterday I played some games with it. So The push cash of trading. Yeah. Good morning, Albert. Hello, Gabor. Good morning, Joreget. Oh, earnings. Oh, so that was earnings. Okay. Thank you. Which model is it? It's the AirPod Max. The brand new AirPod Max 2 or something. Actually, I can. It has a holster. So. And it's MyFundedFutures custom branded. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the MyFundedFutures logo. Oh, now it's switched to the headphones. It turned on. Anyway, it has the MyFundedFutures logo on it. Interesting. If I get it out from the holster, a computer already switched to the AirPod. If I put it back like this and I put it away, yeah, now it's switched back to the other headset. Yeah, thank you, Dominic. What's up? Oh, I have to get my coffee. I have to get my coffee. Just a second. Or coffee? Come on. It's tea. I just made some tea. So I'll be right back. Make sure to smash the like. I have to get the tea. We are doing 28 likes and 116 viewers. Oh my gosh, we're behind. We need to push it to around 60. Can we push it? I'll be right back. I just need to get the tea. Just a second. Okay, I got it. It's here. It's here. Some fresh tea. And now I need to put my phone on the charger as well. So it's just it's hard to say. Like, what can we do here with this market? You're ready for this all-time high? Let's go, Dominic. Yeah, I think so too. Back to all-time high. Could be. Check euro dollar. Yeah. Let's see. Wow. Look at this. Euro dollar. I mean, what a move. Seems like the dollar is having a hard time, really. But like, I don't have any markups here. Actually, I had. I'm just gonna delete that. There was an alert. Lower. And it keeps going higher. We definitely, so the 120 was a significant level here, I think, for euro dollar. My God, look at that. Last time it was here, it was in 21. 21, technically almost like 5.5 years ago. It's kind of crazy to think about it, that the dollar is so weak. I mean, not that crazy. Actually, but there are some conspiracy theories, you know, circulating, like they want to destroy the dollar. I don't know if you guys heard about it. Not much to do with this. There's no levels, nothing. So I'm sorry, but like, I don't see anything. No demand or supply zone. Autumn GR, hello, welcome. Not much to do with this. I'm sorry. I don't see anything. No supply or demand zone. We have some relative equal lows at 70. But no clear targets. Not here, not here. Well, maybe here. Maybe there is a 15-minute low 06. Okay, so this could be maybe a target. So anyway, I'm gonna have an alert at 73. If it goes lower, it might go down. I don't know, not much. And as for NQ, well, it's just hard. Oh, at monthly CB. Ah, they're holding long. Okay, time to gamble. No way. No way. No. We should not. Guys, I must say that I love my my new coffee mugs from the US. I just love this. This is so classic retro feeling. Oh, I see. Hey, loving nature guy, what's up? So yeah, it's well, the smell of coffee in the morning smells like victory. It is victory. It is though. So all right, what can we do? The night was long for you. You need more sleep, man. My view on NQ is to not do anything with NQ. That's my view. I think we're heading for all-time high right there at 645. The FOMC press conference can definitely push it to all-time high. Careful with the longs. I really don't want to break the party, but this is like one of the worst conditions that we can start the London session with. So even if I go down to the 1 minute chart, like, and again, the same situation, the VWAP last time was tagged around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard, just keeps going higher. Let's check the daily chart. I mean, look at that. This is the daily chart. Absolutely crazy. And it's just gonna go to all-time high again. I mean, ES is up there, obviously all-time high. I mean, it just makes me not want to trade, really. It's just a hard read. Because, like, what do you want to do? If we say, like, hey, let's look for an Asia low, it's just almost impossible. I mean, let's just put a line here. Asia low would be 190. I mean, exactly, Chris. I agree. I got a good green day Monday. Let's go. Tuesday. Well, yeah, I mean, if you skip the New York session, like, because I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you. No trade stocks. Hello there. Ron. Hey, what's up? Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, it's just, it's difficult to trade this session right now. It really is. Alicia, hello there. All-time high manipulation by the banksters. You think so, MSGFO? That could be. It could be. I mean, worst case scenario, I mean, we can look for a possible short here, but even if we look for that, like, there's a 1 minute fair value gap, by the way, here. I think that's the only thing that we can go with. So oh, what did I just do? I messed up something. What did I push? Okay, I think I messed up something with the display capture. What did I mess up? Okay, it's here. Oh, sorry, it was Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader was messing with me. And I pushed the wrong button. Check account connection. All right. Oh, okay. Forgot to set this up properly. All right. Gold short squeeze. Oh my gosh, look at this. Well, could be, but where and what shorts? I mean, I don't know. And for how far? We have the 5,300. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. It looks like we're going for that 5,300. So yeah, this is a 1 minute fair value gap here. You know, if I just look at this structure, it kind of tells me there's just more accumulation in this small area. Look at that. Hold on a second. I need to check something. We are having 35 likes and 150 viewers almost. My gosh, can we push the likes a little bit? Let's go, everyone. We need to get it done. That's what YouTube wants us to do. Can we all smash the like, at least to get it to 60 or 65, you know? Whoa. Babs Toy Truck, hello. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining the channel. No trade stocks have a short signal from 95. You go short? All right. Well, there's a fair value gap at 81. I might even try to go short as well. And try to, just for a scalp trade, you know, because why not? But I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Yeah, Michael, this market is just not something that we're looking for. Yeah, after all this, like taking a trade, it's risky. It is risky for sure. Very, very risky. Oh yeah, I would jump into a short, but I mean, well, I don't know. Maybe to go for 10 points here. I mean, I guess. But this is absolutely not ideal conditions right now. Asia was the move? I think so too. Short 305 looking for 10 points. Well, yeah, thanks. So it could be good for scalping for an extra 10 points or all the way down to this 1 minute fair value gap. So let me just point this out because this was a very, very strong push here on the 1 minute. So the only target here that I could maybe go for is this fair value gap on the 1 minute. If anyone wants to take a short, I'm not taking a short. But this 1 minute fair value gap here. So this would be, but otherwise, not much. But it has a good chance. Look at that. It's going there. We have 56 likes now. Let's go. So the goal is to get to 100, right? But next step would be around 80. 80. Next step would be 80. What do you guys think? Anyone is taking a short here? Trail stop. I'm not taking it. Is the apex based on drawdown? My drawdown was 2k plus. I lost 3,000 today, but can't place anymore. Maximum allowed. What is the MAA? I'm sorry, I'm still sleeping. I still haven't drank my tea or coffee. End of day loss. Looking for longs above 320. Let's go. Nope. Are you co-owner or are you connected? No, I'm not co-owner. No. I wish I was co-owner, but no, I'm not no, I'm just a co-host. I'm just a host there. I'm just a host there. Fizzlet, I don't know. I mean, I don't know why you can't put a trade. Did you hit your max loss limit maybe? By the way, here's a possible entry. I mean, this, it can definitely go higher, but I'm just saying, like, that fair value gap is a possible entry. We still have time, 27 minutes until the London Open. You're in the short, but only because ES has big liquidity on the downside. Ah, I get it. Yeah. Good morning, Karsten. Hello. Short since 200. Short. What? Since 200. Are you holding a short from down here? Are you swimming in some drawdown there? I mean, yeah, I guess. I don't know yet. They haven't replied. Okay. That's interesting. From 200. Okay. Well, that's a nice trade. I mean, depends on if it's like a position trade. Maybe it can work out, I guess, with the micro. So let's go. Let's go, Karsten. I hope you get out soon from that position. I mean, that could have been a carry trade, right? Short at 294. Die stop. Yeah. I mean, in terms of liquidity, I don't really see anything else here. Like, obviously it can go higher, but like, I wonder what was happening here at 1 a.m. I don't know what was this very strong push. I mean, this candle, let's just check this candle. It was a 50-point candle on the 1 minute. So was there some news maybe? Yo, Mirovsky, hello there. Dank stopped out. Back in at 293. Dank is not giving up. Yeah. It's tough. So we have 60 likes. 60, so we need to push it. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay, still there. Mohammed, hello. Thank you for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Unfortunately, I mean, this market right now is definitely not ideal conditions. Ideal condition. I was just checking the sound here. Okay, it's cool. It is cool. Okay, let's see. $29 in the plus. Almost up that again. Be careful. ASML earnings. Oh. Yeah, it seems like the news is that ASML earning rise higher fourth quarter than income, that quarter net income, while providing net sales guidance for 26, announcing a higher dividend for 25, and unveiling a new long-term share buyback program. Okay. So absolutely positive news there. I had to sneeze. Almost up that again. Let's go. It seems like it could go now. Gold is not really doing anything yet. Bit of a drop here, but nothing special. I mean, I don't see anything. Could be one of those days, you know? What? What just happened? How do we have 224 viewers and 67? What is happening? 222 and 67 likes? We need to push it to 100, everyone. We need to get it done. We need to get it done. Bots? I don't know. It's kind of crazy. $76, let's go. Awesome. Let's go, let's go. 77 likes now. Can we go for 100? Hey Hanky, what's up? Yeah, it could be bots. It was it increased a lot. Or I don't know. I would be more than happy if not bots. But thank you for joining and watching. Hey Israel, what's up? Cyril, sorry. I always say it wrong, I think. I should say Cyril. What's up? Not much to do with this market. I mean, do I want to force myself in a trade? I just keep switching in between these charts. NQ probably going to go higher anyways. So, Nathan, hello. Welcome. 79 likes. Let's go, everybody. Hold on. And nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Good morning, Jack. Hello there. Gabriel from Italy. Hello. Welcome. Liquid accounts need 2 more. 150 days. Let's go. $100 MyFundedFutures. Yeah, so what do you guys think about the new MyFundedFutures flex plan? I think it's really great. I wasn't even sure what is cooking in the background. Your content is fire, but the right thumbnail can push it to wider audience. Oh, you're creating thumbnails. Let's work. Oh, this is absolutely not against you, or don't take it the wrong way. I'm receiving like almost every week, or at least every 2 weeks, an email or DM about thumbnails. I guess so many people are doing thumbnails, and I get it because it can definitely help. Maybe we'll get back to it. So far, I'm not sure. I know what the market is going to do before it happens. Oh, yeah. Please let us know. I want to know. You just entered. Let's go. Perry, hello there. Thank you for subscribing. Andy, hello. Any thoughts on 25K Lucid Flex, and how would you trade Eval versus funded? I actually, with the 25K, I would trade the same way, like small positions, just a few micros. I would be looking for like $100 trades, maybe $200 trades, but that's it. If I would be making $100 or $200 a day or a segment, I would just leave the account. So go for base hits, even though it's end of day trailing, I know, but I would do the same thing as on other accounts. What just happened? Okay. I'm ready to create. I don't know. What is this? I'll check that later. So I would just go for $100 or $200 on the account. And once you made $100 trade, maybe I wouldn't force it. Maybe I just look to trade something else, maybe a demo account or paper trading account, whatever. So base hits, and I would do the same on the eval as on the funded. Obviously you have less room to trade, which is not a bad thing, but like, you know, base hits. Mahavir, hello, good morning. Albert, good morning, welcome. Michael, who? Terry subscribed. Not the Terry, the co-host, another Terry. Oh, that's not what you're asking, sorry. Hello, Telltale. What's up? Best option is to get drawdown split to 10, and that is max. Exactly, by the way. Yeah, maybe that's what you're asking. That's by the way the simplest thing. You split your drawdown to 10 pieces, and that's how much you can risk per trade. That is going to give you like about $150 of loss per trade, which you can do with 1 or 2 micros, and that's it. Yeah, or also an evaluation account. I mean, it's a small account, so you got to focus on base hits. That's what I would do. It depends on risk tolerance. That's also true, Cameron. So it's not a simple answer. That's why I always say, like, this is not like a simple answer. This is absolutely not a simple answer. Like, oh, go with this, do this. It's very, very subjective. It depends on your risk tolerance. It depends on your strategy. It depends on the levels that you're looking for. So many, many things are in this. So smart money hunting retail stops, or are retail traders just placing their exits levels? Algorithms need to find liquidity. Well, that's the original theory. Now there's a lot of debate and lots of, you know, people are arguing about smart money, by the way. I think the community, I think the bigger part of community is hating the smart money concepts. I think more people hate it, by the way. I would say 60% of traders are hating smart money concepts, and the 40%, I'm not saying they're loving it, but they like somewhat seeing a logic in that. In my opinion, retail traders are such a small portion of traders compared to the hedge funds, banks, big institutions. Like, I can hardly imagine that the big hedge funds and the banks they want to go after your 5 micro stop loss somewhere here. They don't really care because they just don't trade the 1 minute chart. I mean, algorithmically they do, but they don't really care what is happening on the 1 minute chart. They have algorithms for that, whatever. But and this is going against the logic that Michael Huddleston, aka ICT, is teaching, because ICT is saying, you know, exactly almost like the same thing, like, hey, they're going after retail. No, I don't think they are. I don't think that the hedge funds or banks are really going after they're going after each other, the big players, the big traders out there, but they don't really care about you and me, like putting a few micros, maybe even a few minis. They don't care. They couldn't, even if we would put the trade. I mean, let's assume that we're not trading on a simulated account, because obviously it's all a demo account. But if we would trade with our own cash, let's say, for example, each and every one of us would put like 10K personal cash on a futures trading account, and you would trade it with micros, maybe even mini. They don't care. You would be like a dust in the desert for them. I mean, that's what I think. ICT is good stuff. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying there's a lot of debate around the topic. It's something I can trade. Come out, scam newbies. I mean, I'm not going to take sides on this, Jack. I only know that I learned a lot of things through the lectures back in 23 and 22 from Michael, but I'm not following him since 24. In 24, I wasn't really following him at all, and nowadays I don't even know what he's doing. So I don't know. All I know is he's building his doomsday bunker and waiting for Christ to come back. Sorry, I'm not mocking. Sorry. But anyway, that's all I know that he's waiting for. He's waiting for the end of the world. That's all I know right now. But otherwise, I'm not following him. So, but I did learn a lot about the markets, about market structure. I did learn a lot about higher time frame context, institutions, stuff like that. Anyway, but I disagree with the fact that smart money, like they're going for the retail trader. They don't care about the retail trader at all. They just don't. They don't even notice that they're there. They don't care about us. Good morning, Mark. Hello. I wish you the same as well. Voila. Oh, you're welcome. Voila means thank you, right? You are absolutely welcome, Mark. I think they do care because there is no other reason to explain why there is always a counter trend move. Yeah, but Pitbronk, I get what you're saying, and absolutely I get it, and yeah. What if it's because there is an algorithmic? I mean, I do agree with that. There are not just one algorithm, but multiple algorithms throughout the day, like intraday algorithms for the small time frames as well, automatically, which are doing the same thing, but like they're sweeping liquidity. You know, that's the job, to sweep liquidity, both buy side and sell side. I think what happens on the 1 minute time frame, or even the 30-second time frame or 5 minute time frame, is somewhat pre-programmed already by these big players. Like, okay, we want the price to be pushed up here. Along the way, we're going to sweep every liquidity pre-programmed by our algorithm. I think there are multiple algorithms for each and every bank, hedge fund, institution, whatever. And they just target, like they tell the algorithm, okay, we want to push NQ as far as, I don't know, 26,400, we're buying. So their algorithm is buying, which means their algorithm is going to sweep fair value gaps, swing lows, whatever, liquidity voids, stuff like that. So all that things are, you know, going back to smart money, of course, but are they really going for personally the retail? I don't know, but you know what? Yeah, Pip Drunk, I completely get what you're saying, and I respect. Like, I'm not agreeing 100% with ICT as well, but I do believe without ICT that there are multiple algorithms. Like, there's not one single algorithm like the matrix, which is controlling the market, one algorithm. No, it's buying pressure, selling pressure, and there are multiple small algorithms working the market by multiple institutions and big players, somewhat with the same purpose, like sweeping liquidity, delivering it to a certain point, and it has the same sort of price action, price movement, and that's what we're seeing. But anyway, I think we can talk about this topic for like hours because everybody is having a different opinion. Gold is pumping. Oh yeah, look at that. We're approaching 5,300, everyone. 5,300 on gold. Okay. That's insane. Anyway, it's very hard to endure his lectures. Yeah, so a 4-hour video is about 3 hours of his personal life and how much of a god he is, and maybe 1 hour is the actual content. So if you're diving into a 4-hour ICT video, you gotta be prepared. 3 hours is gonna be him talking about himself, and 1 hour is the actual content. Anyone care about retail trades? We are like exactly. Maybe Jack. Yeah, I mean, but I'm not debating with everyone. I'm not. I mean, I respect everybody's opinion. Good morning, Trader Monto. Hello, Trader Muchka. Maybe bots and AI, somewhat like that. Please watch Samir Varma podcast of Titans of Tomorrow. He confirmed that he coded for hedge funds. There you go. So hedge funds also have their coders, programmers. I watched a video about this, not now, but like years ago. I think I watched it almost 2 years ago. There was this also this television series, HBO series, Billions. Now, the creators of Billions actually confirmed that they went to actual hedge funds in New York, and they were asking them how they are trading every day. What are they doing? The creators actually... And it's very interesting. So what you are seeing in that HBO series Billions, like they said, they have a bunch of not traders, programmers. They have they call them quants because they're super smart geeks, like 18-year-old kid with 2 PhD degrees, whatever. I mean, college degrees, PhD, whatever. Only 18 years old. And he's still watching MCU movies and dresses up like the cast of The Big Bang Theory. And they're going to the work in a Superman T-shirt or some superhero outfit, and they're carrying their laptops with funny signs on it, and they're absolutely geeks, but they're like super smart. And they go there like, "Hello, everybody, what's up?" You know, and the boss, who is like an OG trader, tells them like, "Okay, your job today is we want to buy this stock, you know, until we reach this and this whatever level, or this week we want to buy this company, or we want to sell this company. So your job is to program everything according to that, like this and this portions we are going to sell, or this and this portions we want to buy." And you know, the geek guy, the 18-year-old guy is like, or gal, is just like, "Okay, let's do it." You know, sits down in the office, programs the algorithm, and done. I mean, not exactly like this, but this is the job. And he or she is not pushing the button like, oh, let's buy now, let's buy now. No. I mean, yes, there are those traders too, but the bigger moves, not like anyway, they're just pre-programming their code, their algorithm. And they're having like these very young people, traders, programmers, as they call them, not even traders, programming the algorithm to do that for them. And they're moving millions, if more, money in just a few hours with just programming the algorithm. Funds are competing against other big firms. Nothing. There you go, Dan Amons. There you go. Apex is it's last until February 4. Apex is 90% off, everybody, and 89% off from Bulenox. Yeah, until February 4. Exactly. That's why I also keep getting this information. We got to focus on higher time frame candles as well. Yeah, exactly, Pip Drunk. Exactly. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's very boring London session. It is. 2 times 50%. Let's go, Content Hunter. Congratulations. That's the way to go. I have worked. We hired. Oh, you hired quants. Wow. Yeah, it's until February 4. Yeah. Let me say there is a lot you and I still have to learn. Oh, definitely. I know I still have to learn a lot. Pip Drunk, I know I have to learn a lot. It's like I'm still just at the beginning of my journey. Not that I know I say a lot of things. Naomi, hello there, by the way. I know I said a lot of things about, like, anyway. Sometimes it would be better to keep my opinion to myself, or just the way I think about things. Obviously, don't take it for granted. I'm not an expert. I'm still trying to learn a lot from the markets, but it's normal. I mean, it's fine. It's a long journey. It's a long journey. Good morning. It's a lot. We are at 238 viewers. Wow. If the candle has expanded, it's not small wick means it can expand large wick. You should wait for the next candle. If you, that's also good. I try to keep it, yeah, Pip Drunk. I thank you for that. I try to keep it unbiased because I really do respect everyone's opinion, and I never say no, I am right. I know that's the way it is. I'm just sharing the way I see things. How are we doing with the 239? We have 91 likes. Can we push above 100? Can we push above 100? If I have 239 viewers, can we get 100 likes? We are so close. We are so close. We only need a little bit more. Now I see 92. Just a little bit more. And by the way, we only need one more sale at Take Profit Trader to get the giveaway accounts. By the way, just an info. If anyone wants to get a Take Profit Trader account, we only need one more sale at Take Profit Trader, and we are going to get 2 50K accounts for giveaways. So that's the thing. 2 50K accounts for giveaways. If we can have one more sale at Take Profit Trader. With TRADEIFY, we need 5 more sales. 5 more sales at TRADEIFY. And we can get also, I think, two codes for giveaway. I have to check that, but like we're very close to the goal, everybody. Very, very close. Yeah, we're getting closer to 8K. Bulenox as well, yeah, February 4th, yes. Dan Amons, I'm only here for the Hungarian Prime Minister. I know. Well, we can do that too. Let's go, Trading Star. Hey, what's up? What is happening? Good to see you, man. I got my 5th day in at MyFundedFutures account. Let's go. 2,662. That is amazing. As soon as Apex comes, as everyone. I mean, people like Apex because of the cheap upfront cost. Obviously, the same goes with Bulenox as well. For those who don't really want to spend too much time on the evaluation account and you have a budget for your Apex upfront costs, then yeah. And by the way, hold on, let me just start this. I have to check. If you, I think the account fees are also okay. So here's the deal. All evaluation accounts, 90% off the first month, 50% off for recurring months. So now you can get a 50K evaluation account for $19.70. Resets are at $65 at Apex. The big accounts are the 150K and higher are at $39.70. You can get the 300K account for $39.70. The activation fee from the 25K account to the 100K account is $75. And from the big account, the 150K to 300K is $135. Ends on February 4th. So it's for Apex Trader. Go check it out. And if you can, support the channel with the code. Thank you. This was the commercial. Gold at 5,300. Jesus. Oh, almost there. It's gonna smash that. I mean, it's so crazy. I don't know what's happening here. I mean, usually when we're getting closer to a number like this, there could be some early profit taking, so wouldn't be surprised on a drop all the way down to 275. So be careful. If you are trying to catch the large candles, how many of them have large wicks? How many have small wicks? Easy way to filter low probability. Well, you can, I mean, I never really backtested that theory, by the way, Cameron. I need to collect data. I don't have a simple answer for that. If you think that that's a strategy or it works, you got to go in there and check it. Have a good night, Ollie. Thank you so much for joining us. Trade Delicious, hello. Have a good one. Okay, see you soon. Pit Drunk, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, thank you. How are we doing? We have 106 likes and we are at 240 viewers. 41, wow. I mean, yesterday we were almost at 200, but now we have 241. Discipline is hard. It's very hard. Yeah, I get it, Cameron. Yeah, discipline is very hard. Yeah, and study. Good morning, Trade Mindset. Hello. 110 likes already. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Not much to do. Today is not parameters. Yeah, no problem with that, Sofa FX. No problem. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, by the way. I appreciate it very much. But hey, today is just really, really, really not ideal for trading. It's really not. Yeah, so the activation fees are like this right now. Discipline trader, futures trader, sorry, Alicia. The current Apex promo is right here. The 25k to 100k is $75, the activation fee. The 150k and higher, the lifetime activation fee is $135. So yeah, the resets are at 65, and of course 90% the first month. But yeah, this is the current sale. Ships, hello. How's it going? Oh yeah. I've seen it. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I have to check something. Sorry, just texting here. Hey, Gold Auto Trader, hello there. I will be releasing new signal in our group shortly, so be ready. Don't rush things away. Wait for the breakout points. Don't miss it. Thank you for joining us, and goodbye. This was a bot, I think. Yeah, I removed it. Thank you for the bot. %, win ratio. Oh, really? Is that a skill? Maybe I should try it. All right, we're back to the 1 minute fair value gap. It took a little while, but at least we got there. Made 1500 yesterday. Let's go. I mean, yesterday was fairly good. Yeah. Oh man, what a day. It's very bad trading conditions right now. I wish I could go with a trade here, but it's just one of those days again. London session is just not working out. I have no trades ever since. How we are doing? We have 250 viewers and 114 likes, which means we only need 10 more likes to keep up with the 50% ratio, which is cool. Hey, thank you, CJ. To line chart, then boom, really? Line charts. Ooh, wow. Can you trade with line chart? I guess you can. I'm gonna stick with candles, but you know, there you go. I mean, the most important thing is it works for you. If you can go with it, then roll with it. Here was the entry, by the way. Yeah, quick 20 points. And feels like gold wants to take 5,300, very close. Not really, you know, a fan of trading this price action. Yeah, let's go. We're at 124 likes. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Going higher. Pushing back up there. Still interesting that it didn't go down to the VWAP, but at least it picked up liquidity so it can continue higher. And still no trades, by the way. My X account, it's right there. You can see it down there, right next to the camera feed. It's X/TOMSABO, or I think. But let me just here's the link. x.com/TOMSABO. Good morning, Leon. Hello there. Yes, he's already hit the weave up and bounce. Yeah. I looked it up. I want to. I see. Okay. Are you GoldenEye? Yeah, I am. I am. I am GoldenEye. Yeah. If you're referring to that amazing picture that has been taken from, this is me in my prime. So yes, I am. I am GoldenEye. I am. Right? Kind of cool. I mean, the movie was great. And yeah. It was. Could only go down 50 points before another V. At this range, honestly, guys, I don't really even care. I don't even care about NQ. It's just so bad. Let's let's do a quick check on some Forex pairs, because this is getting really, really annoying. Like, it's not really doing anything. All right. Actually, it went down there, so we missed that move. There was a level on the pound. Has not been taken. Euro dollar, nothing. Dollar yen. Still nothing. Dollar CAD keeps going down. Seems like it wants to go all the way down here. Okay, pound yen. No surprise there. With all the manipulation with the yen pairs, it's just, Okay, nothing on the 15-minute. No structure. There's not much to do with this. What about the CFD gold count? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oops. Gold is heading up there. We're making history together now. There you go. Almost there. Ah, I see. It's almost at 5,300. Yeah, so far nothing is showing up. I mean, I'm definitely not going to force myself into anything here. My main focus is obviously on NQ, so yeah, Dan, I agree. Well, gold just keep pushing, keeps going higher. I think it will be at 5,300 real soon. I mean, I do have an evaluation account. I might scalp it there. Can I try a scalp? Oh yeah, by the way, the new contract, the April contract, is already at 5,300, by the way. Actually, it's 5,331, the April contract. When is going to be the switch? Anyone knows? Yeah, on the CFD, we're already at 5,300. Yes. Yes. So I might not gonna do anything with that. All right, so we nailed the 5300 on the CFD. Guys, this is like so bad. I feel like we are just, you know, trying to force something that is not even there, to be honest. I mean, I have zero interest to take a trade. Zero. Absolute zero. 127 likes, let's go, and 256 viewers. Are we on fire today? What is coming? Nothing is going on, and we still have viewers. I mean, I'm super glad for everybody, by the way. Thank you so much for the likes and everything. Thank you for joining and subscribing. Amazing. Amazing. I mean, let's see. So we have 254 viewers. I don't know how much of you are subscribers or not, but like we are at 7,855. I wonder if we can get to like 7,900. How much pip per Euro USD? I don't know what is the pip value on Euro USD, to be honest, currently on the CFD. I mean, my brain is melted right now. CJ. Let's go. It's always bullish. Yeah, it seems like we're just going higher. So, yeah, so we are at 7,855. How about you guys who are not subscribed yet? Gotta make sure to subscribe, you know. No, I'm not gonna. Thank you so much, Luciano. Thank you, thank you. I'm from Hungary, yeah. Jonapot, hello. Are you from Hungary too? Yeah, no trade today. Guys, this is just it's rarely happens like this, but I'm just gonna say it right now. Kivano, oh. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Ladies and gents, all I want to say, it was in Fured. Fured, yeah. That's a very popular place. Castay, exactly. That is amazing. Thank you, Shiofok. Yes. Amazing, amazing. Thank you for being here. I don't know why it's such a difference of the April contracts. But yeah, so far, yeah, so we got the 300. Should have taken a scalp. I think we're done. I think we're done for today. Everybody, you live in the USA now. Congratulations. Nice. Yeah, the Balaton. Ladies and gents, all I want to say is I don't care about this market. I feel like we are just wasting our time watching NQ because it's just watching paint dry. I'm not taking a trade on this, and I'm definitely not taking a trade on gold. So FOMC day, you know, East Berlin. Oh, nice. Yeah, Fokhaima. Yeah, garlic. You know a lot. Oh yeah, we all love garlic. I mean, we love the garlic food here. Oh man, I'm not gonna do anything. Egészségedre. Yeah, exactly. Ladies and gents, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it because there's I'm not gonna trade this. I am definitely not trading this. So I'll be back for early New York session. I just can't. I don't have the nerves. I don't have the brain. I don't have enough energy to trade this market. This is just, exactly. Stay with us for comfort. We are shaking. I'm definitely positive. Trust me, guys, I am so calm right now. I could fall asleep. I know. All right. Thank you so much, MyFundedFutures. Yeah, there's always a next best setup. It's rangy. Yeah. So everybody, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'm going to call it here because I see no reason to trade this market. All the best to everybody. If you would like to support the channel, we only need one more sale on Take Profit Trader so we can get 50k accounts for giveaway. And TRADEIFY also, we need like 5 sales. And also the other ones, 90% off from Apex, Bulenox, 89% off. Funded Futures Network, the buy one, get one for free promo is still on. And of course, Lucid Trading, everybody loves Lucid now. And we have some others as well. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you for the support. But this is just the prime example of when not to trade. I think I feel like this is just a waste of everybody's time watching this market. So thank you. I'll be back for early New York and then for MyFunded TV. Obviously, check out the new Flex plan and use the code TOMSABO. So use the code TOMSABO for all the accounts that you can get. It definitely helps the channel. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Again, God bless you all. And, I'll be back for later. Köszönöm szépen. Yeah, thank you. God bless. Cheers.